First initial ride on the new belt setup. It's all super easy. If you guys are curious on how to do it, just check out my last video. But yeah, let's go ahead and give it a rip down the sketchy canal. Initial impressions, it's quiet. It definitely feels like a hub motor, but oh, that's cool. Feels like a Tesla. In a minute we'll see if see the wheelie action, see how that feels. So far, man, this is fucking awesome. It's just quiet. You don't hear the from the chain behind you. It's a nice day. It's overcast, not 110 degrees out already. Pop a little one up right here. Oh, there's a little park we're gonna go check out down yonder. This is the famous Glendale Canal. I would not recommend coming out here without a wireless hole puncher of some sorts, because a lot of stuff goes down over on this side, and I'll post up some news articles and stuff like that of what goes on over here. Let's see how these Supermoto tires do on this dirt. Oh yeah, it looks a little wet out here. This would also be a good durability test for the belt, see how it does with dirt. It should be fine, but you know, just more content. I don't know what that is, but it looks gross. The Canal Killer. That was actually just sentenced to death not too long ago from 2 murders of 2 women back in the 90s. Whoo! There's murders that go down out here. This article of body parts found out here. Yeah, stay out of those tunnels. They sketchy individuals that live in there. Oh wow, that is super green now. So me and my buddy actually, here, let me flip a bitch in here. My buddy and I actually got in there with the our KXs. So I think we just sent it down these rocks on the other side on the bikes. Got in there. I ate shit like right there in that mud, and my knife is probably in there, and I don't feel like going to look for it right now. You can still see our burnout marks trying to get out of that sketchy path. But yeah, we rode in that canal, and it was definitely a Glendale rite of passage. I don't think I would do it again, but it was definitely cool to just do it that one time. Bust all into here. This is a cool little park. Definitely overgrown right now. Ooh, a little squirky squirk. It's kind of like a little racetrack though. Just like pop it up. Oh, and you can come back over on this side and hit the little 180. Come back down. A little wheelie action. A little quick 180. Let's not pop a tire though. That's cool. So the belt kit can definitely wheelie. I can't wheelie. So far, I'm really liking this belt kit. Just super nice and quiet, super chill, which I like, and mainly low key. So that way, like, if you want to go to any of these parks where there are Karens, zip by and not sound like you're fucking screaming at 40. Oh, that would suck to fall into, huh? Oh, squirrel! Don't do it! Don't do it! What the fuck? What was that? Wasn't a squirrel. Unless squirrels live in holes. Huge shout out from beltsNshit, man. Thank you so much for this dope kit. It made riding this bike way more fun than it was before. It's just super quiet, super clean, super easy to install. Looking forward to the no more Justin chain slack. And also looking forward to creeping up on them noisy Karens in the parks, dude. It's gonna be so nice. It'll be so stealthy. It'll be like Batman on this thing. You won't even know I'm there until after I eat shit trying to wheelie. I definitely recommend grabbing a belt kit from Brian. Top-notch customer service, everything bolted right up, no mishaps, no missing hardware, no nothing. Let's go on the main road, hit the top speed. Oh no, ow! Alright, it's a fucking sender. You gonna see that? Okay, I stopped at 52, so I gotta get back on the trail right here. I am okay with 52. What we got? What we got? Oh, we got a stranger, boys. Stranger. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Oh, it's itchy. Shit was sharp, man. Can't put your feet down or you lose. Alright, we gotta go around the square. Around the square. Alright, that's easy. It's easy peasy. We'll do a little figure 8 action. We'll figure it. Oh, that one's gonna be tight. Oh, we got it. We got it. Hey, we got it. So super fun. Should we do that hill climb? Let's do that hill climb. All right, here we go. Hill climb. May have to stand up. We'll see. I'm not hitting it through that mud because that's just asking for it. All right, now we go. Oh, spinning. Oh, spinning. Oh, we made it, boys. It wasn't too bad. Am I dragging that bush? Why did that sound like I got a flat? It was like... That was fucking weird. I swear, dude, cyclists are fucking dicks. I'm sorry if you're a cyclist, it's true. You guys are fucking assholes. You just think you own the road all the time. Alright, let's bust a UE. Sick. That's why I love these little bikes, dude. Moto track, sport bike hard on the front, trail off, stick the knee out, hug it, hug it, hug it. Hug it. Oh, that's right. Gravel. No, God. I got target fixated, boys. That's a real fucking thing on these. Why is it every time I come here, I get lost? How many balls are you gonna hit, sir? Do you want the balls? Okay, cool. She said, get the fuck out of here, you ball boy. I'm just trying to help you out, man. Shit. I think it's the same guy. I need a little bell, like a bike bell, like a bling bling. One that's like assertive, like move, please. So should I do it? On your left. Guess not. Guess I need to say a little louder. On your left, bitch. Oh, no, try it again. On your left. On your left, brother. I'll try that next time. Straight away. 54. 55. 56. Brake 56. Can't brake 56. Alright, I'm taking it. Get the fuck out of here. Alright, boys, well, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Shout out again to Brian from beltsNshit. I really appreciate it, man. This kit is awesome. If you guys would like to buy a kit or purchase a different kit, I will leave a link down in the bio. And if you use my code, you'll get some monies off. That's the least I can do for you guys. In reality, I just want to help out Brian as much as I can for helping me out. So I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you guys watching, so I'm gonna go fuck off now.